Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to add mixed fractions. I have taken three examples in the video. So let's start with the first example. In our first example we have two fractions 1/1/3 plus 3/2/3. The first step in adding mixed fraction is to convert these fractions into improper fraction. So let's convert our two fractions into improper fraction. So our first fraction 1/3 will be 1 times 3 plus 1 divided by 3, and second fraction 3/2 will be equal to 3 times 3 plus 2 divided by 3. So this is going to be 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1, which is 4. 4 by 3 or 4/3, and the second fraction will be 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11/3. Now we see that both the fractions have the same denominator. That means they are like fractions. So we can directly add the numerators. So, so our step 2 will be add the numerators if they are like fractions. 4 plus 11 divided by 3, which equals 15 by 3, and it can further be simplified cos 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So our final answer is 5. So this completes our first fraction. Let's solve our second example, which is 4/2 plus 3/1/4. In the second example too, we are going to first convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So the first fraction will be 4 times 3 plus 2 divided by 3, and the second fraction will be 3 times 4 plus 1 divided by 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So this is 14 by 3. And the second fraction will be 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 by 4. Now we see that the denominators are not same. That means these are unlike fractions. Now the third step will be to take the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So the common denominator or the common multiple is 12. We need to make the denominators of these two fractions 12 to add them. So this is going to be 14 divided by 3. And to make 3 equals 12, we are going to multiply this 3 by 4. As we are multiplying 3 by 4, we are going to multiply the numerator 2 by 4. So that's going to be 14 times 4, and the denominator is 3 times 4. In the next fraction, 13 by 4, we need to make 4 to 12. So we'll multiply 4 by 3 to make it equal to 12. So 4 times 3 is 12. So we are going to multiply the numerator 2 by 3, 13 times 3. So 14 times 4 is 56. And the denominator is 12. And here 13 times 3 is 39. And denominator is 12. Fractions are like fractions having the same denominator, so we can directly add the numerators. So the next step will be to add the numerators, which is 56 plus 39 divided by 12, which equals 6 plus 9 equals 15, that is 5. 1 is carried over. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. That's 95 divided by 12. So we can leave a fraction as is, as an improper fraction, or we can write the answer in mixed fraction. So we need to divide the two numbers to get the mixed fraction from this improper fraction. So let's divide 95 by 12. 12 times 7 is 84. And if we subtract, this is 5 minus 4 is 1. And 9 minus 8 is 1. So our mixed fraction will be 7 whole 11 by 12. This is our mixed fraction. So our final answer will be 95 by 12, or we can even write 7 whole 11 by 12. This is how we add mixed fraction. Let's move on to our next example. First step is to convert these fractions into improper fractions. This is going to be 1 times 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus the next fraction is 1 times 3 plus 1 divided by 3. So this is 1 times 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3 by 2. And the second fraction is 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4. This is 4 by 3. Next step is to add the two fractions. Here the two fractions are unlike fractions. So we are going to find the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So let's make the denominator of both these fractions equal to 6. This is going to be 3 by 2. And to make 2 equal to 6, we need to multiply this fraction, this denominator by 3. So we are going to multiply the numerator 2 by 3. That's 3 times 3 divided by 2 times 3. And the second fraction will be 4 by 3. And we need to multiply 3 by 2 to make it equal to 6. The next fraction we are going to multiply it by 2, because 3 times 2 is 6. This is simplified to 3 times 3 is 9. 9 by 6 plus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 by 6. Now we can easily add the numerators. So 9 plus 8 divided by 6. 8 plus 9 equals 17. So final answer is 17 by 6. And to convert it into improper fraction, we can write the answer. So let's divide the two numbers. So 6 times 2 is 12 and remainder is 5. So the fraction will be 2, 5 by 6. So final answer is 17 by 6 or 2, 5 by 6. So this is how we add mixed fractions. I hope this video is helpful. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.